We will guide you through how to change zoom in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and open the image or project you want to view. Once the document is open, look at the bottom left corner of the document window, where Photoshop displays the current zoom percentage for the image. Find this zoom percentage and click directly on the zoom percentage field so you can enter a different viewing level. Type the zoom percentage you want to use, such as a smaller value for seeing more of the image or a larger value for working on fine details. Then press Enter to apply the new zoom level. You can also select the zoom tool from the toolbar when you want to control the view directly from the canvas. With the zoom tool selected, click on the image to zoom in around the area where you click, making it easier to inspect details or work on smaller parts of the design. If you want to zoom back out, hold the Alt key and click on the image to decrease the zoom level. When scrubby zoom is enabled, you can also drag with the zoom tool to smoothly increase or decrease the zoom level while moving across the image, giving you more control over how quickly the view changes. Another quick option is to press Ctrl and the plus key together to zoom in, which lets you increase the view without selecting a tool from the toolbar. To zoom back out, press Ctrl and the minus key together and Photoshop will reduce the current view. If you want Photoshop to automatically fit the entire image within the available screen area, press Ctrl and 0 together, which adjusts the zoom so the full document is visible. Once you have chosen the viewing level that works best for the task, continue editing your Photoshop project at your preferred zoom level. And choose which zoom method really works best for your personal setup. And the process is complete.